My name is Theophilus Archibald McLaren. I am the curator of McLaren's Finest of the Fine Art collection. I'm the third generation owner-curator of this establishment. It was founded in 1912 by Grandfather McLaren, and it passed on to my father for a brief but tumultuous time before I wrested control from him in the late 1980s. One of the reasons I love being a curator of this establishment is not only the diverse range of styles, but frankly quality. For example, this painting, Lady Pointing at a Fountain. It was painted by, believe it or not, a blind 5-year-old girl. As you can tell, it's not one of our best works here. The proportions are suspect, there's a serious lack of detail, and this piece, in contrast to some of our other works, is clearly done by an amateur. Now, Flying Boy, on the other hand, I think is one of our finest pieces of work on display to date. The photorealistic quality of the work is astounding. Many of our visitors think they're actually looking at a photo and can't believe that the piece is done in colored pencil. This next piece is called Double Amputee. Now, when you think of double amputee, you think of someone missing 2 limbs. But if you look closely, she's missing 2 parts of the same limb. In this case, she's missing part of her calf and part of her ankle. It's an interesting conceptual piece. We also have textiles. However, what makes this carpet unique is that the fibers are not wool colored with vegetable dye, but instead this is actually woven from the fur of gophers who were bred to have the specific colors you see here. This next one is called Absence Makes the Art Grow Fonder. It's a very interesting installation. Took a great deal of time and contemplation to come to it, but I think it's quite impressive as an abstract piece of art. This next piece is called Thick Paint. It's really astonishing, because in fact, if you notice, there's no canvas whatsoever. This piece was painted in situ. It's merely thousands of layers of thick paint right on the wall. Pretty incredible when you think about it. I think what sets this gallery apart from the rest is it will take anything. Diversity and quantity over quality. I think this is one of the hidden gems in the art world, and we invite you to visit McLaren's Finest of the Fine Art collection.